Hey friends, my name is Scott. This is Tech Talk, and today we're going to be powering off this LG smartwatch. This is the LG W150. Very, very easy procedure. Stick around, we're going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, powering off the watch is actually a very, very simple procedure. Now, this is a brand new watch. You can see it's actually on the welcome screen. And what we're going to do though, so you may just see your normal watch face and functions, maybe your apps. Now again, to power off, all we're going to do is take our little button over here. We're going to hold that for 2 seconds. It's going to bring up our settings menu. Okay, we're just going to scroll down now to the bottom, and you can see that there is a power off feature. I'm going to go ahead and click on that button, and it'll make sure that this is exactly what you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and click that green checkbox, and now the watch is powering down. There you go. You can actually charge a lot faster with the watch powered off like this, or you can simply keep it and store it for your next wear. Friends, I hope that's helped. Again, it's a very, very simple tutorial. If this has helped, hit that subscribe button, and we'll bring more videos to you here soon. Take care.